the tech job market is changing faster than ever. In 2026, AI isn't just replacing tasks, it's creating entirely new opportunities. If you're planning your next career move, these trends could determine whether you stay ahead or fall behind. The biggest winners won't be the people competing against AI. They'll be the ones who know how to work with it. We've ranked the biggest tech and AI career trends shaping 2026. Some will completely redefine hiring, and one trend at the top could change how you think about your entire career. Let's start with number 10. Trend number 10 is AI literacy. Just like using email or spreadsheets became essential, understanding AI is quickly becoming a basic skill that employers expect across almost every profession. Companies aren't just hiring AI specialists anymore. They're looking for marketers, analysts, designers, teachers, and managers who know how to use AI to solve everyday problems more efficiently. Learning to work with AI is no longer optional, it's becoming part of everyday work. But the next trend isn't just changing how people work, it's changing who companies want to hire. Trend number 9 is AI workflow automation. Companies are no longer impressed by how much work you can do manually. They value people who can automate repetitive tasks and free up time for higher-impact work. Whether you're in marketing, finance, HR, operations, or sales, knowing how to build simple AI-powered workflows can make you dramatically more valuable without needing to become a software engineer. The people who automate their work won't just save time, they'll have more time to solve bigger problems. And the next trend is creating entirely new careers that barely existed a few years ago. Trend number 8 is the rapid growth of AI-native careers. Companies aren't just adding AI to existing jobs, they're creating entirely new roles designed around AI from the ground up. Many of these positions didn't exist just a few years ago. Today, employers are looking for people who can combine industry knowledge with AI tools to improve how work gets done. The biggest opportunity isn't replacing your current career, it's evolving it with AI. And our next trend explains why human skills are becoming even more valuable in an AI-first workplace. Trend number 7 might surprise you. As AI becomes better at repetitive work, the skills that make us human become even more valuable. Companies aren't just hiring for technical ability, they're hiring for judgment, creativity, and leadership. AI can generate answers in seconds, but it can't replace trust, leadership, or strong decision-making. The professionals who combine AI with exceptional people skills will stand out in almost every industry. Learning AI is important. But learning how to lead, communicate, and think strategically while using AI may become your biggest career advantage. And the next trend is creating one of the fastest-growing hiring categories in tech. Trend number 6 is AI security and governance. As companies deploy AI across healthcare, finance, customer service, and internal operations, they need people who can keep those systems secure, reliable, and compliant. This isn't just a cybersecurity problem anymore. Organizations need experts who understand AI risks, privacy, bias, compliance, and how to make sure AI systems behave the way they're supposed to. And the next trend is creating massive demand for people who can turn data into business decisions. Trend number 5 is AI copilots becoming part of everyday work. They're quickly turning into the workplace equivalent of email or spreadsheets, tools that almost every professional is expected to know how to use. Instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks, professionals can focus on strategy, creativity, and decision-making while AI handles the busy work behind the scenes. The professionals who learn to work alongside AI copilots will have a huge advantage over those who ignore them. But our next trend is changing where companies hire talent, and it could create opportunities no matter where you live. Trend number 4 is global AI hiring. Companies are expanding their talent search beyond local offices, giving skilled professionals the chance to compete for opportunities from almost anywhere. AI-powered collaboration, translation, and workflow tools are making distributed teams more effective than ever. Today, companies are increasingly hiring the best person for the job, not just the closest one. Your next opportunity may come from a company you've never heard of in a country you've never visited. But the next trend goes beyond software, it's transforming manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, and the physical world. Trend number 3 is the rise of AI-powered robotics. AI is moving beyond software and into factories, warehouses, hospitals, farms, and construction sites, changing how physical work gets done. The biggest opportunity isn't competing with intelligent machines. It's learning how to manage, improve, and work alongside them. But the next trend may have the biggest impact on every knowledge worker, regardless of industry. Trend number 2 is becoming an AI-augmented professional. The highest performers won't be the people working the hardest, they'll be the ones who redesign their entire workflow around AI. The most valuable employees won't hand everything to AI. They'll know exactly when to let AI handle execution and when human judgment creates the biggest impact. Learning AI tools is only the beginning. The real advantage comes from redesigning how you think, solve problems, and create value with AI. And our number 1 trend ties everything together, and it's the biggest career shift of 2026. And the number 1 career trend for 2026 is continuous AI learning. The people who succeed won't be the ones who master one AI tool, they'll be the ones who keep learning as technology evolves. Your career won't be defined by the AI tool you use today. It'll be defined by how quickly you adapt, build new skills, and turn those skills into real-world results. Every trend in this countdown points to the same conclusion: AI isn't replacing ambitious people, it's giving them a new set of tools. The future belongs to those who never stop learning, adapting, and creating. Now, let's quickly recap the biggest takeaways. From AI literacy to workflow automation, robotics, global hiring, and continuous learning, every trend points in the same direction. The future belongs to professionals who learn faster and adapt sooner. You don't have to master everything overnight. Start with one AI tool, build one real project, and keep improving. Small steps today can completely change where your career is a year from now. AI is changing every industry, but your future isn't decided by the technology. It's decided by what you choose to learn and build next. And before you go, here's one final piece of advice. Remember, AI isn't your competition. Standing still is. Every week you spend learning, experimenting, and building puts you one step ahead of the people waiting for the perfect moment. That's exactly why I created Career with AI to help you stay ahead with practical AI skills, real career strategies, and tools you can actually use in your job. If you found this helpful, your next step is simple. Watch the video on your screen now to start building AI skills that employers actually value.